Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this couscous summertime salad. Absolutely fantastic, refreshing, and I think you're going to love it. You're going to need 1½ cups of water, 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper, 1/2 cup of chopped red onions, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, 1 cup of your couscous. You're going to cook your couscous according to the back of the package directions. 1/4 of a cup of your fresh chopped flat leaf parsley, 1 cup of sliced zucchini. I remove the seeds from the inside and I give them these lovely little small slices like this, and 1/2 cup of your favorite Italian dressing. It can be regular dressing or low fat. I'm going to leave that up to you. First, we're going to cook our couscous. Bring your water to a boil over medium-high heat. Add your salt. Give it a lovely little stirring. Cover with a tight-fitting lid and let it sit off the heat for 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, it's going to look like this. And you're going to take a fork, start stirring around your couscous. Add all of our couscous right into this large bowl. Then here comes the fun part. You're going to start adding those diced red bell peppers, and look how beautiful that is. Next, we're adding that zucchini with the red onion. Oh, that smells so fresh. And the parsley. The parsley's optional. Forgot to tell you that earlier. And then the cumin, the black pepper, and that Italian dressing. And if you could smell how refreshing this is, we're going to blend all these ingredients into that couscous. And it'll start breaking up couscous. You're asking me, what's couscous? This one's a medium grain. You can buy a whole wheat grain couscous. Look how beautiful those colors are coming along in this couscous. You can put this in the refrigerator overnight, serve it the next day, and it's going to be loaded with fabulous flavors. And looky there, loaded with antioxidants, loaded with a little bit of carbs, loaded with your favorite Italian dressing. Y'all, this is a fantastic summer salad. I'm going to give it a taste. Get some of that zucchini on there, the bell pepper, the red onion, couscous. Oh yeah, looky there, full of flavor. Well, let's give it a try. Delicious warm. If you're looking for a fast, simple summer salad, this is the salad to make. Simple and easy to make. A fantastic couscous summer salad. Looky there. Love all the colors in there. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me here on Instagram and YouTube, and I'll catch you lovely people later.